7 a.m. in the morning, really tired, but we've got to surf. And today, I'm making this video because I'm going to do something interesting today. I'm gonna do paddle boarding, and it should be good. Okay, this thing is huge and it's heavy. Okay, I'm in the water now and I'm gonna have to stand over it. This thing is huge. It's 10.6 feet and I'm what, 5 foot? Yes. So I'm gonna get on it. Oh. Didn't bring a life jacket this time. That speaks volume about my overconfidence, and I don't have the most stable place to put my camera. That's why it's moving so much. We have all of the surfers over there, and then it's me and on the paddleboard. It's very tiring on your shoulders, and this is looking amazing, by the way. There's a very fair chance that I might die somewhere down the road doing something stupid like this. Okay, I'm gonna try this shit once again. Everyone is surfing out there, and it's all about balance. This is what I've realized, that my balance is wavering and I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. No, I did not. Having fun is scary and dangerous. Don't do it, kids. I think this is the perfect time. Sorry about the camera angle, but I think it's the perfect time to remind everyone of one of the songs that I have on the album, and it is literally called Breathing Under the Water. And it goes like, I'm breathing under the water. Oh yeah. Just trying to fight all this fire. Oh, I was given only 3 days to live, but it's day 5 and I'm still awake. Camera dropped down and I'm fine. Went off there. I'm breathing under the water. I'm breathing. Manish, do you want to exchange? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. What? Not that much. I mean, you can do it if I can do it.
I don't want it.
No, you can just leave it on the beach and I'll take your board.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'll bring both. No, one at a time. The wind is picking up and that is seldom a good sign. I should be leaving because I was told to leave, come back when the wind starts picking up. But yes, I'm just having so much fun. It's amazing. Okay, I'm close to the beach now. I will be leaving soon. But take a look at this place. Like the people having yoga on the beach, walking their dogs, surfers surfing, this stupid guy on a paddleboard. And it is just one of the best places to be. And I'm glad I'm here. And it just means a lot to me. I'm so grateful for everything. How can you be not grateful if you have a life like this? There's no way. Okay, I'll be switching off this thing now and then the rest of the day.